So this is the FlashForge Creator 3 and it's printing the tall bridge from Infinite Dimensions. So I'll show you this. I'm using a honeycomb infill at about 10%. I'm on the right nozzle. This is an IDEX printer with 2 nozzles. So I can print duplicates or 2 objects at the same time, as long as they're identical. There it is. We have another one here. This is Christina's. Currently not running anything. She's been working on some of these things here for her customer base. Some other ones we've got. We have a very big Anycubic here for printing very large pieces. And then over here we have some enders that are in need of repair. We have Anycubic Mono X, which is one of our main printers for printing miniatures. And you see some under there. These are 4K monochromatic printers, allow us to print very quickly. Another one there from Creality. Another ender. An older Anycubic Photon. Another ender. More Anycubics, a smaller mono there from Anycubic. We have a FlashForge Creator Pro, Anycubic again, another mono there with what's fairly common, a little print failure. You can see in the back tray there, something that's in the tray and not attached to the supports. Is an Anycubic Mega Zero 2.0. I actually prefer this over the ender. I think build quality is better. I think it just runs better in general, but again, it's just my only opinion. We use FlashForge PLA Pro we print with. Some more Creality resin printers. One of the very first printers we ever had, the Anycubic Mega S, which is just solid, prints all day every day. Another Creality, another ender down there. There's another couple of monos here. Another ender hiding in the corner. Here we have 2 more of the big Mono X printers, waiting to have things put on, ready for printing. We have things we're working on. So this is the tall bridge that I'm currently printing for a customer. That's a coffee there that I once had. That's another tall bridge product, which is the inn or hotel. Some more of Christina's stuff, another hotel there. That one's getting ready for sending out. Some more products there from printable scenery. Some miniatures here for various customers. So that is 3DForgeWorks.